I am here in the Wayanad region of Kerala, in the state of Kerala, in southern India. And this is what I have been waiting to see. This is permaculture without the word permaculture. This is traditional, tropical, multi-layered food forest ecosystem. So many foods and different types of yields, spices, long-term timber harvest, firewood, root crops, coffee. This place is just incredibly packed at every story with productive species. And this is the traditional methods that they use here. This is not brought by Westerners. This is not coined permaculture. This is how people grow multi-storied productive systems here in the tropics. We had a nice little tour with Beena, who is the owner, one of the owners of this farm, along with her family. And so let's go take a look and see what they've got going on here.
Beena from Varnam Homestay in Wayanad, in Kerala. And all family members. Welcome everybody. Varnam Homestay. This is our organic farm, 17 years organic. And we are only use cow dung and compost and organic way. Then no chemical. And here grow many things, vanilla, pepper, cardamom, coffee, cinnamon, different type of vegetables, different type of fruits, and spices and spice, everything grow this farm. And we are keep it, this all things in our homestay, and we are also eating. Cinnamon.
Sorry.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, hi. Sorry.
Okay, one more? Yeah, okay, one or two more. Okay, many here. No, don't. Okay, good. Okay. Oh, this beans picking, and after sun dry.
Ginger?
No, turmeric.
Turmeric.
Is it edible? Is it edible?
Turmeric yellow powder. Kukuma. Okay, turmeric, yeah. Chadaveli. English name. Chadaveli. Sometimes in worms in stomach, this called worms called. And olden medicine. This leaves make a curry, and this trunk also make a curry, and root also make a curry or boiled and eat. Same potato. Taro. Come on, and this is one type of seed, Rudraksham, very holy seed. Root.
Yeah.
This root bigger and more bigger, and this make a curry and boiled and eat also. And this is a rainy season, and again plants coming.
Cacao and pineapple.
1 year, one plant, one pineapple. Then next year, this finish. Then okay, next year another plant coming. This Naga chili
Those are hardest trees
in the world. Yeah.
Could I have one?
Yeah.
No.
I think.
No.
And this.
Not to eat.
It's called drumstick tree. The leaves. Yeah. Moringa with the elephant foot yam right underneath. Right.
Elephant foot yam.
I've had that before.
So there's a big tuber under there.
Yeah, big root.
Big root.
Boiled and make curry, and the skin and the leaves, so everything use curry.
Vanilla growing up
How do you get
the
to
tree and then trellised along a vine.
That's vanilla?
Otherwise, yeah, this is
Can you
banda.
eat that?
No, this is not eat. After this take and dry, then black color, then smell coming. This much big, we are eating, very tasty.
You're cutting
Yeah.
and then you're eating
I
the
think
trunk? Or
Trunk. Now my son and daughter here, maybe I can go and cut this one and take the trunk.
Huh.
Yeah.
So what an amazing system, and what an incredibly stacked, multi-storied assemblage of plants that they put together in this highly productive and really beautiful garden, all organic, good for the wildlife and good for the people that live and visit there at Varnam Homestay.